Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to another edition of The Truth About the Hitena Zebra Stripe Metallic Thread. And today's colors you can see back here, this is ZS Green number 2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started and start basically a standard wrap like I've done in the other ones in the past. And then we're going to do a little drag and scale. So we're going to go ahead and get this wrap started. Loosen too much tension there on the old tension rod. All right, so get a good bite. All right. All right, got a good bite on there. Give it a couple turns. We'll cut that working end off and grab our burnishing tool. And so we'll start burnishing this out, laying this thread down, trying to get my tension rod just where I want it at. Again, this is the color code ZS Green number 2. So we're going to see what kind of colors we get out of here. Again, we're getting some brown, yellows, and blues, it looks like, with green in there. We'll see what kind of pattern, if it has some sort of systematic pattern that it's going to create. A little bit of white in there. I kind of like these colors, actually. And then I'm suspecting it's going to go blue. Yep. So kind of whitish or cream color green, brown green, yellow green, and then blue green is what I'm thinking here. And then it's just going to repeat that to where it stays just like that. So it looks like it's just going to keep that same pattern. It's not going to have a couple different patterns in it. But I like those colors. I'm already trying to think what I would throw on top of it. If I was going to use this as an under wrap, I think I would go probably with some colors. So let's stop there really quick. And so we have a couple of yellows. This one is ProWrap Color Fast 122. Again, these are color fast threads here, but this is 122, and that is more of a neon yellow green color, but I think that doesn't look too bad. And then this one is ProWrap Color Fast 101, more of a traditional yellow, which I think would look good as an overwrap on that. Looking at that blue, you could come back with, like, this is a ProWrap nylon, so 455, just a blue. And of course, that's going to come out a little bit darker once you put finish on it because it's a regular nylon thread. And then what if we tried Color Fast 404 ProWrap? That color blue, that might be a pretty good color on top of that, actually. That is pretty interesting. And then if we wanted to get creative, no guarantees here on this one. ProWrap Color Fast 207, something like that as an overwrap. Maybe not. I don't know. And then let's just try one more color. I'm just looking around here. This is ProWrap Color Fast 216, and that is an overwrap on top of it. So just throwing some options. I think I really like the regular yellow. I think I like the regular yellow, and I think I like the that blue, that lighter blue that I just showed you. And I think I want to try one more. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go with ProWrap Nylon 613. I think as that darkens up a little bit with your finish, that might look pretty good as well. So just some color options for you to think about. So let's just do a few more wraps here. I think there's no surprise. It's a pretty systematic pattern that this is going to provide you. Again, this is the Hitena Zebra Thread Metallic or Zebra Metallic Thread. Color code ZS Green number 2. And it's going to come brown after there. All right, so let's go ahead and tie this one off really quick. Take my piece of thread, make a loop, a couple of wraps, and let's go ahead and cut that. All right. Burnish that in a little, bam, and then we'll cut that thread right there. All right, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and do a little dragon scale wrap on some mesh tape. All right. Now, again, I'm going to do this pretty quickly for the sake of time. And then while I'm cleaning this up a little bit, hey, down in the comments block, let me know what you guys think. You know, if you like the information you're getting out of these videos on this Truth About series, first, please hit the like button. And second, leave a comment below. Let me know what it is you like about the videos. That way I can, you know, try to do more of the things that you guys like. And then secondly, if, you know, even if you don't like the videos or you think that there's something different that I could be doing about the videos, write it down in the comments block. Let me know. You know, I reply to every comment that you guys leave. At least I really do try to reply to every comment that you guys leave. So, you know, trust me, if you make a comment down there, I'm going to see it and I'm going to respond to it. All right, so we got that thread started. Again, like I said, we went pretty quick. I'm just going to spin this real fast. And get going here on this dragon scale wrap. Oops, doubled over a little bit. All right. Almost halfway done. So far, I kind of like it. I think it looks could be a little difficult to see the dragon scale pattern, but let's keep going here a little bit. And again, I'm going quick for the sake of time, so I'm not putting a lot of effort into this as far as, you know, packing and making sure I don't have any of the little white pieces of the tape sticking through. I know your guys' time is important, so I don't want to waste it. Oops. All right, so we're getting there. All right, almost done, guys. Almost done. Okay. I thought I was going to go super quick, but I don't like those little white things sticking up. So, all right. Again, we're going quick here, just for the sake of time. Don't critique me. I know there's some of those little white pieces poking up through the thread. Don't critique me. All right, so come down to the end here. All right, so let me go ahead and tie this off, and we'll talk about it a little bit. All right, so back that off. Again, you know, color code ZS Green number 2, metallic zebra stripe from Hitena. All right, and pack the thread. And we'll cut that working end off. All right, so first we have this one here. This is just a standard wrap that we did. I do like the colors. We paired up some colors that we thought it would look good with. You know, again, I'm a fan here of the Color Fast Pro Wrap 101, a basic yellow. It might be too much yellow for you or for somebody. You could always come back. You know, we tried and took a look at 404 Color Fast on top of that. Or even you can try a nylon. This is the same one. This is a size D though, but this is the same Color Fast or color 404 color code, but it's nylon. It's not the Color Fast. And to be honest, I'm thinking that looks even better. So again, both color codes 404. Here's the regular nylon. Here's the Pro Wrap Color Fast. You can see the difference in the colors. Of course, this will darken a little bit once you put your finish on it, but I actually like this one better than I do with the Color Fast. So I like these two. I think this one's my favorite right here. So, and then you can try a purple. Not so sure about the purple. And then again, one last one. You can kind of come in maybe like a mahogany type, you know, 613 nylon, maybe something like that. So, all right. So that's the regular wrap. And then here we have the dragon scale wrap. And, you know, again, for instructional purposes, I got a little sloppy down here at the end, you know, with the stuff. So I get a couple white pieces poking through, but that's all right. So, again, this is what it looks like for the dragon scale. You know, what I'm learning, sometimes it's hit or miss, and something I'm learning with these threads. Sometimes it's hit or miss with darker colors. Sometimes darker colors kind of mute the dragon scale, meaning it's kind of hard to really make out the dragon scale behind it. And whereas lighter colors sometimes do better. But then there's times that darker colors look really good with a dragon scale, like a purple. That looks awesome with a dragon scale, you know. So you just never know. But this one here, I like it as a regular nylon wrap like this, but I don't think I like this on the dragon scale. So, you know, that's my 2 cents. Hey, again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. As always, hey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time to ReelBlue Custom Rods, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time I post a video, which is 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Yeah, and so, hey, I hope you guys find true value out of this video. Please feel free to share it with somebody you think that would find value out of it. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.